Backing up your OBS and all of your scenes and sources is super important, especially if you plan on updating a plugin or, better yet, updating your entire OBS. Traditionally, the way you'd back it up is you go to your scene collection, you make a duplicate, and then you go to app data, you copy that and make a duplicate of that to save your settings. That's dumb but inefficient. I'm gonna show you a better way. How's it going, guys? Hope you're all having a fantastic day. My name is DeSynkro. Guys, I cannot stress the importance of backing your stuff up. We all know how time-consuming it is to set up OBS and all the crazy and creative things that we have on it. Losing that is just devastating. Tonight, we're going to be backing up our OBSs in a very quick, efficient, and useful way. This method is also going to set you up to easily back up your OBS again in the future if you need it. Okay, so how are we doing this and what are we doing? Essentially, we're taking OBS Studio, we're making it completely portable, and then we're making a copy of it. This in turn is going to back up everything, all your sources, your scenes, your settings, your plugins. Anyways, let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is we gotta turn our OBS Studio into portable mode, and that's super simple to do. Head over to where you have your OBS installed, right click, new, and text document, and then all you have to do is call this text document OBS_portable_mode. Easy, right? That's literally all you had to do. But don't boot up your OBS just yet. There's actually another little thing that we gotta do first. Now we gotta bring all of our configurations into our OBS folder. First thing you gotta do, head over to your OBS directory, click new folder, and make a folder called config. Next, click the Windows icon and type %appdata%. This will take you to your app data roaming folder. Look for your OBS Studio folder. Right click and copy it, then go to your config folder that you created and paste it here. Now, whenever we make any changes in our OBS, instead of the files being saved in app data, they instead are going to be saved directly in our OBS folder. So if we ever need to make a backup of it, it's quite literally a matter of duplicating our OBS folder. Need to update OBS and you're scared that something might break? Make a duplicate of the folder. Update the duplicate, see if it works. And there you go. So that's it. That's how you can easily make a backup of your entire OBS. It's probably, in my opinion, the best way to make a backup of your entire OBS. So then if you ever make a mistake or something breaks, you can easily recover it all. If you want to go the extra mile with backups as well, then you should definitely check out Exeldro's Scene Collection Manager plugin. It's an awesome plugin for OBS that you can set up to make automatic backups of your entire scene collection. And while you're at it too, shoot Exeldro some love and even check out his other work. Exeldro is an amazing, super lovely, and incredibly talented guy. If not for this man, I probably wouldn't be able to do half the stuff that I do on my streams nowadays. His work is superb in every way possible. But thank you so much for watching, everybody. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this video was able to help you or a friend of yours in any way, shape, or form. If you have any questions and want to learn more, come check us out on Twitch. I stream Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays starting at 4 p.m. Australia West Standard Time. I'd love to see you there. That's all for this video, friends. I hope you all have an amazing day and an amazing stream. Catch y'all later.